In this activity, and you will be trying to plan your investigation to figure out how we'll know if this unknown microscopic organism is a plant or an animal cell. You'll be provided with slides A and B that are plant cells, C and D are animal cells, and an unknown slide which you have to identify. If we are virtual, I will give you a document that has that allows you to view them, just not through a microscope. So what you're supposed to submit for this, you will create and submit an investigation proposal. Your investigation proposal or plan need to include the following here. And so to do that, we're going to do this. So I'm going to click on this investigation proposal. It's going to force me to make a copy. And so I will make a copy. And so once I am in here, what I don't want to do, I don't want to put my name, like I don't want to type up my name anywhere in the actual document itself. But what I can do, and I would ask you to do is to write the student last name. If you have a brother or sister or a twin or something like that, this also includes your first name too. Okay, so that'll be the name of this document, but it will not appear in your actual writing down here. So what you're going to do is you're going to answer the question. So simply, you're going to go back and find that investigation question, which is about, how do we classify this unknown cell? What observations or measurements will you be taking? What kind of things are you going to be looking for? That's the second part. And how are you going to collect those measurements and observations? So this might be you're going to look for certain structures or certain things, certain characteristics that you're looking for. And, how are you going to collect it? You can put a data table and do a check mark. What are you going to do? Maybe a series of questions of yes, it contains that, or no, it does not, that kind of thing. Okay. Then how are you going to analyze it? Like, what are you looking for specifically that it will tell you whether or not this is or is not a plant or animal cell? And finally, down here, before we even look at it, what's the prediction? I will see the following things if it's an animal cell, and predict what you will see if it's a plant cell. Now, this is going to be before you even look at the unknown, but, kind of make a prediction. If I see this, then it's going to be a plant. If I see this, then it's going to be an animal, and fill that out accordingly. Okay? Then make sure you do not lose the location of where this document is. So I would suggest you, move this document to a specific area. Maybe you put it into AP Bio folder, in your classroom folder. Wherever it happens to be, just know where it is so that you can easily upload it. So when I come back, I will then click on the submit. So I'm going to come down here and I'm going to attach a Google Drive file. I'm going to open up Google Drive. This is where knowing where it is helpful. Although usually it pops up the first one. So, I'd click on that once it's completed. It's going to upload. And it's uploaded. And if I made a mistake, I can go ahead and I can uncheck it. And I will submit it. And that's it.